You guys, I am so excited to pick these invitations up. I really hope they come out good. I'm not gonna lie, I was talking to my friend yesterday. Like, I showed her a preview of like what the invitations were supposed to look like. She was not impressed. And like, she was like, you should have used this picture, you should have used that picture. And now I'm sitting here like, yo, did I screw up my freaking wedding invitations? I don't know. We're gonna go pick them up from Staples. I'm hoping they came out at least really pretty. Like, they look exactly how I want them to look, which is classic, formal, and understated. So I don't know. Let's see how it comes out. Pray for me, y'all. Pray for me.
Just pick up the phone and call me. I'll be there. Girl, let me show you. You're my one and only, like I told you. I'll be there. And if you get blue, I got the loving for you. Yeah, I'll be there. Your
Dear God, please let these invitations come out okay. Alright, let's see. Just gonna see. So I got 150 of them. I don't know if I needed this much, honestly, but I figured I'd rather have more than less. Because right now our guest list is at like 120, 130-ish. We budgeted for 140, so that leaves like, you know, stragglers and whatnot. But I figured I'd still order more invitations than I would order, you know, than I would have people, just in case. And it is a front and back. First glance, they came out good. I like the cardstock. I like the cardstock. It's nice and thick. I think I got makeup on my hands. God, please. I wash my hands, so I think it's nice and thick. Okay. But I don't like the way it's cut. So this is the front, and then this is the back. But yeah, I feel like they cut it kind of small. Like, is this like regular size? Cause let me see. It came in envelopes. I printed these from Canva, by the way. Like, what the fuck? I didn't know Canva made this. Oh, this is cheap. I don't like this. They'll fit the envelope. Okay, so they're not too small. I should have told them that I wanted this in ivory, because this is like a regular like white, and the wedding isn't really white. It's more like ivory, especially like, you know. Babe, where you at? But it's good. The cut is kind of, it's good. Like I said, it's good stock. I do like the way it's designed. The cut is just kind of, I don't like the cut. Like, I don't like the cut. You could tell it's cut. So I don't know, maybe I could do something to where I find that just rubbing it like that actually kind of helps the cut look a little more natural. Okay, it's not bad. I'm pleased. They did a good job. The print did good. So if you're thinking about printing from Canva, they did very good printing. You know, printing everything out. And the cardstock is nice. The envelopes are a little cheap to me. Like, I could have got this. You know what I'm saying? I could have got this. And honestly, I probably could have printed them on my own for like half the price, but I don't know. I wasn't gonna cry about it. So this is how it looks so far. This is what it'll look like. Don't show up. Don't show up. Be nice, y'all. Don't show up to my wedding, okay? It's really nice. Don't show up. I know y'all see the address and stuff, and don't like steal my identity, okay? Hold on. I do have some. This right here this is for the bridesmaids. I bought you know, I'm gonna do a little gift box for them. But with that, you know, that's coming at a later date. But I also have this here, and I'm thinking, like, what if I do like a bow? See me something like. How you do it? I think you do a situation where you like that. I don't really know how to. I remember I was in high school, and my high school teacher used to do like art projects, and she used to like do like professional like gift wrapping. There is an art to like making a bow. Like, people don't realize it. Right? Let's see if it'll fit. So we're going like this. Child, I don't know about this bow, child. I don't know, y'all. This look a little ghetto. So the first thing you want to do is gather all of your supplies. For this project, you're going to need wax sticks, address labels, dried flowers, a hot glue gun, make sure you get the correct size, stamps, vellum wrap, the actual stamp, and then of course your invites and envelopes. The first thing you want to do is insert your invite into your vellum wrap, and then place the invite inside of an envelope. Make sure you're very careful when you're doing this, especially when you're putting your vellum wrap into your envelope. Canva sent me some really cheap looking envelopes, and they were so thin and so cheap, so I had to make sure I put these in slowly so that they wouldn't break. Next, take a few of the rose petals from your flowers and set them to the side. Don't use the full stems here. I find that the actual stem of the flowers just looks really weird when you put the wax on it, so I just say use a few petals. Next, point your glue gun in the center of the envelope. Right where you see the tip of the triangle of the opening flap of the envelope, you want to put it right in the middle of that. And slowly release your trigger until it's all the way down. Make sure you do not move your hand during this process. Wax sticks very quickly, and if you move your hand and the wax gets over the envelope, it's going to be all over the envelope. The last step, place your petals on the wax and stamp it with the wax sealer. Make sure you wait at least 10 seconds before moving the stamp, otherwise you risk messing up the wax. And voila! It's really that easy, guys. It doesn't take a lot of thinking. It's a very rudimentary, simple process. And honestly, doing these invitations made me think about the old days where they used to actually use wax seals. And I don't know, I want to write me some letters or something, because this was so fun to do. So this should be super easy, super fun, and super quick. And then, of course, here is your final product. I think it came out very nice, very understated, and I am super happy with this. If you guys plan on trying this, let me know in the comments below. And then, of course, if you're interested in watching more wedding content, go ahead and click like and subscribe and check out the videos in the next slide.